Tingnan nyo, isn't it unfair? Si Habi, isang crank lang gumana kaagad. Parang may favoritism itong chainsaw ko. So unfair. But anyway guys, you enjoy watching.
I was waiting till the sky was falling, held my breath till every single star had a light on my mind. I never saw it coming, didn't think you'd wake me with a kiss like this. Waiting till the sky was falling, held my breath till every single star had a light on my mind. I never saw it coming, didn't think you'd wake me with a kiss like this.
So there's my husband pulling a tree that I cut earlier. So ito po yung kaingin namin na kailangan linisin hanggang doon sa dulo. Because dito namin tatayuan ng bahay. So next na puputulin ko are these trees. That one. Tapos, ayaw ng asawa ko kasi malaki. Ha, ha, ha. Like you dare me. Pag pupunta na siya doon sa dulo, hindi na niya ako makita, puputulin ko yan. Tingnan nyo guys, asawa ko takot baliin yung mga malaking kahoy. Tapos, hindi ko na siya makita, hindi na din niya ako makita. So, that's the time puputulin ko yung kahoy. Ha, 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 ha. Problema lang dito guys is because malayo yung McDonald's. So mga 15 minutes from here. Ano ba yan? Is McDonald's 15 minutes from here? Board? Is McDonald's 15 minutes from here?
I don't know if that's the closest one.
Yeah, doon sa bahay namin sa tinitirahan namin ngayon. It's only like 5 minutes. Labas ka lang sa neighborhood tapos doon na may pagkain ka na dito. Naku guys. We are in the middle of nothingness but we like it here kasi mapayapa at saka ang ganda ng neighborhood kasi newer neighborhood siya. So, yan, tingnan yung asawa ko. So, meron na kaming 3 neighbors na meet dito and they're really nice. Tapos guys, sabi nila yung bahay dyan sa dyan sa kabila, sabi niya, yung yan, yung mga shrubs dyan. Sabi nung babae na meet namin kanina, sabi niya, the house next door they don't, hindi daw ayos ng kanilang yard. Tapos, tingnan mo naman yung mga yard sa mga silingan dito. Ang gaganda-ganda. Oh, well manicured. Kita. Tapos doon, yan, well manicured yung mga lawns nila. Tapos sabi nung babae na nakausap namin, they were a couple. Sabi niya, yung next door neighbor niyo hindi nagmumow ng kanilang lawn, hindi nila ilagaan yung mga plants nila. So, wag niyong ubusin lahat, putol yung mga kahoy. Lagyan niyo ng privacy, mga kahoy in between you and them. Kasi baka sasakit lang yung niyo. Yung ulo niyo. But, nakakatawa. But still, the lawns here are really well manicured. And, napaka-friendly na mga tao. So, I really like it here. I think it's just that kasi exclusive siya, maliit siya na community. Kaya, isa lang yung restaurant. Tapos, well, mayroong golf course, mayroong lake, may beach, may walking trail, may swimming pool, may gym. Nandun na lahat. Pero walang restaurant. Isa lang, we're stuck. The nearest restaurant, I guess, is 15 minutes away. But anyway, this is the price of looking for a better place to live. Yan guys, at least kita na namin yung langit. May na-clear na kami ng mga kahoy. And heto ako, start na naman after resting kasi wala yung asawa ko. So plan ko, puputulin ko yung mataas na kahoy dyan. Kaya lang, mabigat yung chainsaw ko. But, ang hirap talagang i-start. So, tingnan natin kung makastart ako. 1, 2, 3. Sakit. Again. Ready? Come on, Marilyn. 1. Tingnan nyo guys, nakakatawa. Muntik na akong madapa. Ay, naku, wala kasi yung asawa ko. Kaya ako lang talaga nagpupumilit na paandarin yan para maputol ko yung mga kahoy na mataas while my husband is away. Kasi ayaw niya talaga akong pumutol ng kahoy na malaki. Stubborn kasi ako. Surrender. Yan na, umaandar na. Tapos, puputulin ko na yung malaking kahoy. Ready? Yee! Awesome!
You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you for being you. I'll be your best friend. I'll be your guide whenever you need me. I'll be by your side. I love you more and more and more each day. I love you more and more and more than I can say. You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you for being you. Been waiting for you all my life.
At this juncture guys, naiinis na talaga ako kasi palaging namamatay yung chainsaw ko. Kabago-bago pa lang kung binili yan. So this is the topography of the land that we are going to build. As you can see, there are still some trees and shrubs that need to be cleared. So before we start, we're actually starting to clear it a little bit in the front. But yeah, the trees and the shrubs will be cleared before you guys build. So Corey is going to walk down because this is kind of a hilly land. And yeah, these trees would need to be cut before you guys start building. Can you go down, Borg? I need to sit down.
I will never let you go. I will never let you go.
There. So as you can see, he's going down the hill. But it is not so steep. Probably around how many degrees sloping from the front.
It's true.